I spent my whole life on Discord, and I'm quitting. So I deleted Discord and started working out. I took my first shower.
I use this thing called soap. We're just making up words now.
But there is one problem.
I miss Discord, and everything around me reminds me of it.
I was so close to caving in, but then I remembered.
The Queen Bee would decline my G Fuel date. I meant coffee date. Sorry. Still getting used to this.
It's been 48 hours since I was last seen on Discord, but if you subscribe right now, I'll go back on Discord and make a longer video doing all of the ideas that you leave in this comment section.
Please don't do this.